Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In this video, I will share how can you change the look of your room by revamping your old frames and replacing the pictures. You can easily transform your boring and dull room into inspiring one by little efforts. So before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share if you really enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's start the video. I am using these old golden frames which were lying unused from years. So I first painted them. I am using white emulsion paint which I used in pot painting. You can use white acrylic color. You can use any color as per your decor. But white goes well with each and every decor. Now I have selected some inspiring quotes and pictures from Pinterest and drawn them on colorful A4 sheets. I am using only sketch pen and brush pens only to keep the process simple and easy. You can use watercolor or acrylic colors as well. I simply like this part. If you are not interested in drawing, you can simply take the printout and frame them. I am going to give you some ideas how can you brighten up your room by using these inspiring quotes written on bright color sheets. Another way to transform old frames is to frame different kind of fabric pieces and revamp the look. But there should be symmetry in all the frames and the fabrics if you are going to put them together. These kind of quote frames you can put on study table, on your workstation, or even in any of the room. These kind of frames will keep you inspiring and motivating. All the items you are watching in this video, like this cloud pen stand, girl pen stand, mustache man box, and the jute vase, are all DIYs, and I will share the link of all these DIYs in description box. Kindly check it from there if you wanna make them. I hope guys this video is going to be helpful to you. I am putting a lot of efforts with each video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. So we'll see you guys in the next video with more amazing crafts, ideas and decors. Till then, better take care of your health. Stay home, stay safe, be crafty. Bye bye.